Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our Mason Street Reservoir project. I'm super excited to take us through this amazing renovation. We're super excited to be transforming this mid-century Art Deco home into a fabulous family home for our clients. Let's take you through.
Hi, I'm Emma, I'm the designer here at Mason.
And hi, I'm Paloma, I'm the architect of this project.
So we're standing here at the back end of the house. What makes this project unique is that it used to be owned by a hypnotherapist who ran the clinic from home. The key part about the brief down here is we're going to keep a lot of the existing quirks and original features.
So for instance, we've got here the two-way mirror. So from the other side, you will be able to open two doors to see through this bedroom. We're also keeping this timber wall and this padded door.
A lot of the other great unique features about this end of the house is these walls are actually 200mm thick. So everything's already quite heavily insulated. We're going to remove all of the popcorn ceiling. What was really fun about this design is that we've been able to use some of these key light fittings and other forms and geometry as inspiration for the design, which I think is what makes it so unique.
We're standing right now in the main house entry, and right behind me is the current powder room. So the whole idea with this space is to knock this wall off to create an open entry and to run a corridor leading us to the new sunroom and kitchen area.
As you enter the space, you're going to be greeted with solid timber batten walls, which mimic what's going on at the end of the house. So it's going to make everything flow through really nicely.
One of the main goals of this project is to open up the space. So right now we're standing in the current meals and kitchen area. So to achieve that, we're going to remove this wall to make the kitchen space bigger. And also we will match the floor level of the kitchen through the sunroom to create a single open space.
Part of the brief for the clients was they want a nice long island bench as well. In terms of finishes, I wanted to remain true to a lot of those existing eclectic features, but we've added in things like terrazzo flooring and a lot of white joinery as well to become palette cleansers. So a lot of those original features will really be the heroes and sing true. So now we're standing in my favourite part of the design, in the sunroom, because what we're going to do here is to connect the two dwellings, which is going to bring new life to this old building and make it more of a family home.
So to achieve this, we're going to remove this brick wall. Right behind it, it's the current bathroom. So we're going to continue the corridor from the entry to this sunroom area. One of the client's requests was to have a bookshelf somewhere in the house. So we thought the perfect place for that was to run the bookshelf along this staircase. It's gonna start in the sunroom and then it will continue into the second dwelling.
So the bookcase will be made out of a solid timber, which is going to continue throughout the other areas of the home. Again, keeping true to that original mid-century stylistic forms and qualities and material. It's gonna be a real highlight. So we're standing in the front existing bedroom, which we're going to convert into a master bedroom. So we're going to have a new walk-in robe and ensuite.
So the idea is to place the ensuite door right over here, and the walk-in robe is going to go where this wall is.